What's up, Xander?
Hi. Gonna get the power steering pump on here.
Looks good down there. Oh, God. Xander had a baby. I mean...
Ready, Terry, lefty, Lucy? You got this. You know what you're doing. You've been here before.
Once or twice.
You've been to this bar.
This is a bar?
Well, after like 4:30 then. Toot beep beep.
T2 beep
Hi.
beep you.
Getting the water. I'm going home.
Going home?
We have baseball tonight.
Tell everybody to say hey.
Howdy.
Just lining up the bolts, bolting up the power steering pump, and then I'll probably get him to start doing spark plugs on this side.
Sparking plugs.
So by the end of the day, with spark plugs, wires, and a light, we'll be all done.
Maybe we'll do the cap rotor in the morning, yeah?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, it's for you.
Phone's ringing, dude.
All right, well, I'll get back to you in a bit. All right, well, Xander got all the new spark plugs done on this side. Cool. Gunky, nasty, just like the other side. So I'm actually going to show him. You still want to kick it for a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, then I'm going to have him do the wires on this side. And then basically all the wires and spark plugs are done. And in the morning, probably do the cap and rotor because it's got the hill coil on top. Hill coil. H-I-E. H-I-E? Okay, whatever. Damn Chevys. I drive a damn Ford over there. But, yeah. So we'll get that all done. So having a problem lining up the power steering pump. Not a big deal. We'll get it figured out. No reason to stress over it. It'll get done. Right.
It's just gonna do one giant video here. I did some ones earlier, but you know, I was like half awake. Anyways, fought the power steering pump in. Holes weren't lining up and couldn't find bolts, and then I found the bolts and you know, but it's in there. Finally. That took way longer than it should have. Spark plugs. You can see them somewhere in there. All 8 are done. Some easier than others. These here were all easy. And then on this side, these were easy, and those 2 were difficult. I had to go down in here, and then there's one all the way back there. That one was difficult to get to, but I finally got it. I had to help Brinzy with that one. Tomorrow, because it is almost 10:30. We'll put the new distributor and everything in. So, it's coming along. It's been a long day, but you know, this is fighting me here. So all these bolts in the back, they're in. But this hole here is all stripped. And I didn't even realize that I was fighting it for like 15 minutes. Just couldn't get it. And then I took a little break and came back to it. And I realized that it's stripped. And that's why I couldn't get anything in. See, it's all nice and shiny and not the right way. I don't know who did it at one point. But yes. And then, so it's just those front 3 bolts that need to go in. But everything in the back is in and loose, so it can still move around. Anyways, just update here with the Camaro. Later, guys. Hey, guys. Just a little correction. I called this a condenser for some reason. I meant compressor. But if you look there, that is not straight. No. That's why I was having trouble fighting it in. That is completely just not right. Cute. That would explain. I don't remember which bolt it was I showed you guys. I think it was this one. By the threads, they're all... Or was it this one? No, it's that one. That would explain why the threads are questionable in some places. Nice. Why can't everything just be easy? Why? Oh yeah, it's all. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It's all like there's a lip. Cute, cute, cute. Anyways, just a little correction and update there. Later, guys.